What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install FL Studio on your PC or laptop fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser and open this site. I also leave this link in description of video. After that you will see here Windows or Mac. Choose if you have Windows or Mac. Go here on download and save installation and wait for download process. After downloading FL Studio, just open it and go here run. A new window will launch. Go here next, go here I agree and install. When you install FL Studio like me, you will see desktop icon. Also a new window will open. Go here next, accept this and go next and install it. Finish and enjoy using FL Studio on your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install FL Studio on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.